Hi, I'm here in my basement doing a little at-home science. What I have here is my dish soap solution. I have my string and my straw in a nice casserole dish. I also have a couple of different alcohols. One is a 99% isopropyl alcohol and the other one is a 40% alcohol. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my bubble solution and pour it into my dish. It really helps to have a nice wide dish in order for you to make nice big bubble films. So I'm going to place that to the side here. Now I've added a little food coloring so that you can see the solution a little bit better, but you don't need to do that. So what I do is I reach in here and I find my little string and I pull it out, and what I have is a beautiful bubble film. Now let's investigate this film. I'm going to do a couple of things. The first thing is I have, sitting in my solution, a wet wooden chopstick. Just something I found laying around the house. You can also just use your finger. I'm going to lift this up. And I'm going to take my wet wooden chopstick and we're just going to poke it right through. Notice that it doesn't break the film. Now let's explore something else. Let's try that now with a dry chopstick. Again, we raise my film and popped. Instantly popped. Now I want to try something else. If wet works well, let's see what happens if I wet my chopstick with the alcohols. So I'm going to start off with my wet chopstick to show you that it goes right through the film. And then I'm just going to dip this in the 99% alcohol. And I'm going to bring it back close and pop. It popped right away. Now let's try again. Only this time I'm going to use a 40% alcohol. I'm just going to dip it in there. What do you notice? That didn't work. It didn't pop the bubble. Now you can play around with all kinds of different things. You can try just regular water, you can try soapy water, you can use your finger. Another great activity is to take a little film canister and cut one end off, and then you can stick it through and maintain the film while passing items through.